in this part, we want to demonstrate how to view the message from our email. So I just send the message by myself. So it has this message. And then we go to here and then we import the IMAP library. And then we have defined m is equal to IMAP lab dot IMAP for SSL, and then we pass the IMAP Gmail IMAP server, and then we get the iPath, we import the get path that we demonstrated before, and then we enter the email, and also enter the password. So if we log in, we can see this is okay. And then we go to m.list and we can choose the inbox. So we use m.select inbox. So we get the email ID. So for example, if you want to just search for the subject that is the title from CK Mobile, so we put the title from CK Mobile here, and then we search for the subject, and then we get the type is OK, and then we go to use the data, and we got the, because if you just use the data, the email ID is inside the list, so we have to pass the data, and then we put the index zeros, and then we use this protocol to fetch the email data. So we already got this email data, but we want to get it for string. So again, we have to use the list to use the zero index. So for example, if you just use this one, you get this tuple. But because we want to get the second one, so we type index 1 to get this. So now we can use another package, which is import email. And then if you do not decode, you can try this, and you can got this error that the initial value must be string or none, not byte. So you can go to search in the Google, and you can see there is an answer in the Stack Overflow that you have to decode, use the .decode UTF-8. So we go to here, and then we add the decode UTF-8. So now you can refer to these documentations, and then we can check if the part, and we have this email message by using the email.message from string, and this is the email raw string. So we can type, we can execute this. You can see this is the raw string, and then we pass to the use this for loop, and then if the part is the plain text, then we can get the part payload, and then we decode it, and then we print the body. Now you can see the content is a message from CK Mobile, and this is exactly the same as here. So I forgot to say that if you get this, use the default modules, you can see we also get the message, but this is displayed here. So this is much more clear by using the email modules.